Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved these faux locks right here on hair longer than bob length. The girl in the video is not me, but I did the exact same tactic and this is how it's gonna look, so let's get right into the video. To start, I'm going to talk about parting, and I did free parts because I think they look a lot more natural and really cute, but square parts are cute as well. So the top of every part should look like a circle like this, and that way they're all kind of uniform but still not really as like rigid as square parts are. So you're literally just gonna want to take your comb and go in a circular direction, kind of like a half of a rainbow. So that's literally what you should do for every single part, and you do the next part in between the other circles. So where this arrow is where you would do the next part, so that they all kind of look uniform. After that, you're just going to braid the hair down, and this part can be really taxing, especially if your client has longer hair or if you have longer hair. So you don't have to braid all the way down, but just go down far enough so that when you do the faux lock, it's not like messed up and like loose hair will get in the way. So if you're being lazy, you don't have to go all the way down, but it does make it easier to do the faux lock in the long run. So next you're going to take your crochet needle and you're going to stick it through the top of the braid and pull the bottom of the braid through to make the hair shorter. This is what you do if your client's hair is too long for a bob, or if you just want some like extra protection to make sure they don't cut their hair when they're taking them down. The hair I'm using is the free tress water wave hair, and this hair will give you the shiny look that a lot of the faux locks have, but it's not the only kind of hair you could use. You could also use Havana twist hair or kind of anything that just has a curl pattern, because free tress water wave hair can get expensive. A tip is to order it off AliExpress. You can get spring twist hair off AliExpress and it's like way cheaper than if you go to the beauty supply. But yeah, you can really use any kind of hair, but this kind of hair and spring twist hair is going to give you the shiny look, whereas like Havana twist hair or something else is going to be a little bit more like dull. Next, we're going to crochet the crochet hook through the root of the hair, pull the one side of the hair through, and then from there we're going to take one strand or one side of the hair, depending on how thick you want these faux locks, and begin wrapping. Unfortunately, I feel like I did a sucky job of showing this, so I'm going to try and explain it really well. There are two ways that I do them. So the first way is when you wrap, you're going to pinch some of the hair to create loops as you wrap, and you can do this really quickly, and you can only pinch some of the hair. That is the tactic that I'm using here. I'm pinching as I wrap to create little loops. The other way you could do it is, as you wrap, you could literally stick your thumb through the hair and then wrap tightly around and then let your thumb go, and then you'll create another loop. The first one is going to create faux locks that are a little bit more messy than the second option, because the second option you're still wrapping really tight and you're being more deliberate about where you place the loops, whereas the first one you're just kind of pinching as you go to create smaller loops, and that's going to make it a little bit more frizzy. To seal the bottom, you're going to fold the remaining hair up and pinch it to create like a little loop at the bottom, and then but yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me do a couple more, and it's really easy, as just you have to get the gist of it and you just have to practice, and you could definitely do this on yourself, and once you get good it'll be really quick. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys.